Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fellowship crashing on Steam. First, open the Steam application on your PC. You can locate the Fellowship game. To play it, hit the play button shown on screen. If it is showing any issue, you can follow some steps to fix it. First, open Steam and right-click Fellowship. Now, go to Properties and then Local Files. Here, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Update your graphics drivers for NVIDIA or AMD to the latest version. Right-click the game executable and go to Properties. Then select Compatibility and enable Run this program as administrator. Close unnecessary background apps such as Discord, OBS, or Steam Overlay. Make sure Windows and DirectX are fully updated. If the issue persists, uninstall Fellowship and reinstall it through Steam. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.